What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration on how you can enroll with the NovaTech opportunity. Now, this is going to be a very simple and straightforward demonstration, but I want you guys to pay attention so that you make sure you get it right. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. When someone sends you their link so you can enroll with NovaTech, you're going to come to a page like this. Now, if your page doesn't show up immediately like this, then they probably sent you directly to the enrollment page. And if I click on get started here, that's going to take you to the enrollment page, and it's going to look something similar to this, right? So what you would do is go ahead and get enrolled. Now, this process is really simple, but you want to verify that you're enrolling with the person that referred you over to the platform. If this information here doesn't show that enroller's name, then you want to get back with them and let them know so they can get you the correct link and you can verify everything with them. But since it says my name, I know I'm on the right link here. Now, you want to choose a username, right? Or email to log in. I see a lot of people using the email, but it's better to choose an actual username. Like if you wanted to use, like I use Crypto King, but if you wanted to use a username like Bitcoin Anthony, right? Don't use Bitcoin Anthony if you're not Anthony, right? But let's say if I use Bitcoin Anthony, right? And I just go ahead and key that in, that would be my username. Now, you have to choose a website name as well. That's what's going to come before NovaTechFx.com. So if I wanted to use Bitcoin Anthony for that as well, I could do that, right? If I could type today. So I would go ahead and type in Bitcoin Anthony, right? So if I typed in Bitcoin Anthony, that would be my web address there. Then I'm going to type in the country that I'm actually enrolling from, and it's defaulted to the United States. So that's correct for me. Now I could go in and choose a password. Now I suggest you use a password that is between 8 and 20 characters that includes letters and numbers, upper and lowercase, right? Then I will also suggest, in this, you have to set up a security question just to secure your account. The next thing that you have to do is enter a tax ID number. Now you can enter your personal tax ID number, or you can use a business tax ID number. But keep in mind that you do have to enter one in here. This is a registered and licensed broker, so that information is going to be required. Now, the next thing that you want to do is enter your language. It is defaulted to English, so if that's English, you don't have to do anything else. But then you're going to enter your demographic information here, your name, your middle name, and your last name. Then you're going to have to enter an email and a phone number. Now, it has your company and company identification number. If you're enrolling as a business, you key that information in here. Then you would have to also enter your birth date, okay? Of course, you would just have to enter that information in here. Now, your e-wallet information. To protect your e-wallet, you're going to have to set up a 4-digit PIN. You're going to use this quite often, so you want to make sure that you put this somewhere that you can keep it safely, okay? Now, you would go ahead and click in here, and you would create a 4-digit PIN number, right? Then you're going to create a secret question for your e-wallet as well. Now, if you scroll down, it's going to ask you for your residential address and your shipping address. And then you can just key that in here, and you can just click same as address. If that's the same, you're not going to be shipping, and they're not going to be shipping anything to you, so you really don't have to worry about that. Now, as with any other website, there's going to be terms and conditions that you're going to have to agree with. Then you would go ahead and select all of these 4 boxes, and then you would check complete enrollment. Once you complete the enrollment, it's going to take you into the back office of NovaTech, so you can get in and start purchasing your packages, funding your account, and that type of stuff, right? So I'm going to see if it'll allow me to do this. I'm going to click on my back office in this account that I am in, and then it's going to show you what the back office looks like. Now, one thing that I will suggest is that you go through the tabs and familiarize yourself. You would go through each of these tabs. Now, once you're on this page, for the home page for the back office, you see that it says your enrollment links, right? Here's the enroll link, and this is the link that's just to your affiliate site, right? So that's that. Now you can actually put in your Instagram. You can actually go to the Instagram here, or you can actually go to the Telegram there. Though I like that they have those in the back office as well, right? Now, the other thing is that you're going to have your e-wallet information, your e-wallet balance, your trading balance, the total that you've earned, your group's volume, how many people you've enrolled. All of that information is going to be right here. You can actually even go look at the email updates. If you click on this, it's going to show you all of the previous emails and things like that, right? That's what you're going to see on that page. Now I'm going to go back. If you had any messages that were directly from your sponsor, you would just click on that to see if you could see those messages there. Okay, now let's go into this because I want to show you how you can fund your account, right? So if you wanted to go ahead and do your initial funding, you would click on the link that says funding, the little section or applet here that says funding. So you would click on that, and then it says enrollment package, right? So you can go into your enrollment packages, and it's going to show you the enrollment packages. Now, if you wanted to be just an affiliate and you didn't want to put in an invested amount right now, which you're going to earn off of every week, you could pay $49.95 for the affiliate package, and then you will be able to refer this opportunity over to other people, and you'll be able to participate in the affiliate program, but you would not earn anything passively because you would not have any amounts invested. Now, the initial package or the first package is the builder package, which is between $99 and $499 if you want to invest that amount. Now, you can go ahead and enroll if you want to enroll in that package. It tells you what the benefits are for that package right here. Pretty much the package benefits are all the same all the way up until you get to the 10,000 to 24,000 package, right? All of those benefits are the same. But it does go to another level once you get above $25,000 because that is where they waive your monthly service fee, right? So they will waive the $25 monthly service fee if you get to $25,000 managed in the VIP package, right? So that is a good thing there. Now, you also get cash back rewards at this level also. Now, the president package is more than $100,000 that you have invested, and you actually would get a higher amount of cash back on this one, and your monthly fee is waived on this account also. So guys, that's exactly how this would work. Now, you could choose the package that you want. So let's say if you wanted to do $1,000, right? If you wanted to enroll with $1,000, you would choose this package right here. Then you would click on the button that says enroll now. It's going to show you the bronze package here. It's going to show you that you want to let me make sure I not show all my personal information, but you want to make sure that you enroll with this package. It says how much how much do you want to add. You could click this amount. You could key it in here, however you want to do it. But if you wanted to do 1,000, you could go ahead and click in and do 1,000 here, right? And then you can enter your PIN and all of that type of stuff. You're going to have to select the coin payments here. You would need to select the coin payments because you're going to be paying with coin payments. You would enter your PIN number, you would click apply, and then you would go down further. I don't want to show all of this because I don't want to show my personal information here. So I am going to click go forward after this, but you guys are pretty familiar with how you would actually pay for an invoice with cryptocurrency. So that's how that would work. And when you would go ahead and submit that, and you would be good to go. Let me pause the video for 1 second, then I can show you the information at the bottom. Okay, so once you add this to the account, it's going to show $1,000 here. Then what you would need to do is to go ahead and click on the terms and conditions, accept that, and click on the membership agreement, accept that. Then you would validate it, and then it's going to present you with a QR code and a payment address in which you would send the Bitcoin to fund your account. Now, as always, it takes a little bit of processing time for the Bitcoin to go through, but once that is done, then your account is funded. Let me show you back on the home screen on what that looks like. Okay, so now I'm back to the home screen of the dashboard, and once you actually fund your account, you would see your trading balance would be 1,000 here, and that's what it's going to be traded on every single week. So you would come back on the following Friday and look and see what your earnings are, and it's going to show in your e-wallet balance right here. So you would just see your earnings that you made for that week in your e-wallet balance. Then you could take those earnings and actually put them back into your trading account, and I'll do a video to show you exactly how to do that. But hopefully this has been very helpful for you guys to get you started with NovaTechFx, and I'm telling you, this is an incredible platform and I'm really excited about it. So I hope you all are excited about it as well. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I record the rest of the videos to show you guys how to maximize this platform. But you know what we're going to do, guys. We're going to invest wisely. We will invest well, but we will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know that we are investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.